Hi everybody, this is Kevin Solecki from Carnegie Accordion Company. I'm here with my good friend Garrett Titano. He's going to be playing a button box accordion for you. This button box that Garrett has here is a Melodija Slovenka accordion. It has 34 buttons on the right hand and 11 buttons on the left hand. This instrument is in the keys of B flat, F, and C. Garrett's going to play a song for you, and then he's going to run through each of the buttons and show you what it sounds like. Take it away, Garrett. Great job, Garrett. Now he's going to run through all the keys on the right hand and as well as the left hand for you, in and out. Thank you very much, Garrett. Thank you, everyone. Look forward to hearing from you.